Okay, so now we're on page 3 in your handout and we're going to perform equilibrium coordination tests. We've already cleared out the non-equilibrium. We are also clearing out any balance testing, so we really have to pay attention to our patient when we get them up and standing. We're going to play the part of a real neurological patient where we're not sure of their balance, we're not sure of their coordination when they're on their feet in this equilibrium testing. So we are guarding, we have a gait belt on, and we are always attentive to our patient. So knowing that we already did the non-equilibrium and we've tested their balance and standing and we're doing a forward gait progression, we know that they can perform those tests that we did before adequately and they're safe. Because then we want to do ambulation, we want to make sure we're doing safe ambulation and just testing for the deficits on the paper, such as akinesia, bradykinesia, ataxia, and Tibetic gait, for example, for the first one, which is forward gait. So you'd always start out with just having the patient ambulate and knowing how they ambulate before you challenge them even more in the equilibrium coordination testing. Okay, so I'm going to guard my patient. So here's my neurological patient. They're safe in the chair. This will be a wheelchair, and I know that she'd be safe in it. And so when I'm about to get her up, I am guarding with her with a gait belt and a supinated grip, and I'm posterior lateral, set up this shoulder with my other hand, and I'm going to ask her just to get up, and we're going to walk just straight ahead. Okay, so we're just going to come out in the driveway. So walk at your own speed, and I'm just simply looking to see if any of those features are going to happen. So again, ataxia, Tibetic gait, all the bradykinesia. We're going to turn around, Gianna, so face me. Turn, and we're just going to walk back to that chair, okay? And we're going just at the speed that is best for the patient. All right? And we're going to sit down, come this way, feel the back of the chair. Okay, so that's how you would guard just for forward gait. And of course, the patient I have, the test is negative, but if you saw ataxia, it would be positive for ataxia. Okay? You want to pause it?
Yeah, I'll pause it.